Welcome to 5-Minute Tech Clash. Today we're bringing you an exciting showdown between the Huawei Watch GT4 Pro versus Huawei Watch GT5 Pro. We'll dive into their amazing features, check out their prices, weigh the pros and cons, and crown the ultimate winner. Let's jump right in. We're talking about the 46mm case size of both watches. But when it comes to materials, the GT4 Pro uses aerospace-grade titanium, while the GT5 Pro opts for titanium alloy. Looking at dimensions, the GT4 Pro is slightly larger at 47.6mm by 47.6 by 12.9mm. In contrast, the GT5 Pro is slimmer at 46.3mm by 46.3mm by 10.9mm. Weight-wise, the G4 Pro is heavier at 65 grams, while the GT5 Pro feels lighter at just 53 grams. Now onto the display. GT4 Pro boasts a 1.5-inch LTPO AMOLED screen. Meanwhile, the GT5 Pro offers a 1.43-inch AMOLED display. Both have the same resolution of 466 by 466 pixels, but the GT5 Pro edges ahead in pixel density with 326 ppi compared to GT4 Pro's 310 ppi. Brightness-wise, the GT4 Pro hits 1,000 nits. The GT5 Pro steps it up to a stunning 1,200 nits. Both feature sapphire glass and an always-on display for that premium touch. When it comes to sensors, both watches pack accelerometers, gyroscopes, heart rate, ambient light, barometers, temperature, ECG, and depth sensors. But the GT4 Pro has a compass, whereas the GT5 Pro includes a magnetometer. Under the hood, the GT4 Pro is powered by the Snapdragon W5 Plus Gen 1 chipset. On the other hand, the GT5 Pro runs on a proprietary chipset. Lastly, both run Harmony OS, though the GT4 Pro uses version 3.0. Let's move on to storage. Both watches come with 2 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage. As for the battery, both use Li-ion technology. But in terms of battery life, the GT4 Pro offers 4.5 days in standard mode, while the GT5 Pro blows past it with an impressive 14 days. When it comes to tracking, both watches cover heart rate, sleep, SpO2, stress, women's health, and breathing exercises. However, the GT5 Pro adds pulse wave arrhythmia analysis for more detailed health insights. Looking at sport modes, the GT4 Pro supports 100 activities. The GT5 Pro takes it a notch further with 100+ modes. Both watches are built for durability with 5 ATM water resistance. Connectivity-wise, they're identical, featuring Bluetooth 5.2, Wi-Fi 802.11, GPS, and NFC. Now let's talk about prices. The Huawei Watch GT4 Pro starts at $449 to $799, while the Huawei Watch GT5 Pro comes in slightly cheaper, starting at $420. Which one gives you the best bang for your buck? Let me know in the comments. Let's wrap it up with 2 pros for each watch. Huawei Watch GT4 Pro, premium aerospace-grade titanium build, larger 1.5-inch LTPO AMOLED display. Huawei Watch GT5 Pro, longer battery life of up to 14 days. Advanced health tracking with 1200 screen brightness. Now let's look at 2 cons for each watch. Huawei Watch GT4 Pro, heavier at 65 grams, which might feel bulky for some users. Shorter battery life of 4.5 days in standard mode. Huawei Watch GT5 Pro, slightly smaller 1.43-inch display compared to its competitor. Uses a proprietary chipset, which may limit app compatibility. And now it's time to announce the winner. The winner is the Huawei Watch GT5 Pro. It takes the lead due to its slimmer thickness, lighter weight, higher pixel density, price, and impressive battery life of up to 14 days. Which one do you think is the best? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this comparison, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Your support means the world to me. Thank you for watching. and see you in the next video.